Text message come in.
Alright guys, this is my last little bit, and it will probably only take about 2 minutes, but this is part 2 of 63.3. This is the example 63.3. So let's look at it. This is my final thing. It says Raul ran 6 miles in 2 hours. Alright, so my rate is 6 miles in 2 hours. Okay, and in 2 hours, he ran 6 miles. Now, very first step is to reduce it to its lowest rate. So, to do that, it would have to be divided by 2 to make this to be a 1. So, this would be 3 miles in 1 hour. And in 1 hour, he went 3 miles. Now, that is our new simplified rate. Then it says this. Then he ran 20 miles in 4 hours. By how much did his rate increase? Alright, so now what we're going to do is they've given us another rate, and we're trying to figure out how much it increased. Alright, so this is my first rate, so I'm going to erase this once it was simplified. Let's go on and look at the second rate. Then he ran 20 miles in 4 hours. And in 4 hours, he ran 20 miles. Okay? Now, what am I going to have to do to this one? I'm going to have to reduce it as well. Okay? So how do I do that? I try to get this to 1 hour. So I'm going to have to divide everything by 4. Okay? So 4 into 20 is 5. So 5 miles in 1 hour. And this one would be 1 hour, 5 miles. Alright. So this is our new rate for our second one. Okay? So the first one, he was able to run 3 miles an hour, or in 1 hour he ran 3 miles. And on the second one, he was able to run 5 miles in an hour, or in 1 hour he ran 5 miles. Alright? Now the question is, by how much did his rate increase? Well, let's just look at this and this. These are the two same rates, okay? Or we could even look at those two. But let's just erase this part, okay, and look at this rate. 3 miles an hour or 5 miles an hour. Okay, obviously he did better on his first rate because he ran 3 miles in 1 hour. Actually, he did better on the second one because he ran 5 miles in 1 hour. So he increased 2 miles. Does everybody see that? 3 miles per hour to 5 miles per hour. So he increased 2 miles per hour. So the question was, how much did his rate increase? By 2 miles. And that is the answer, 2 miles per hour. Thanks, guys. Hope you enjoy the day.